Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create or open a Billpoint account on your mobile phone step by step. Billpoint is a popular mobile payment and utility platform that lets you to buy data, airtime, pay electric bills, TV subscriptions and more, all from your phone. With your own Billpoint account, you can manage all these payments from one secure place. So whether you're new to Billpoint or you're just downloading the app for the first time, this guide will walk you through the entire registration process clearly and easily. By the end of this video, you will learn how to download the Billpoint app, how to register a new Billpoint account, how to verify your phone number, how to set up your login and security PIN, how to complete your profile, and also how to start using the Billpoint app for your transactions. So just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. Now let's get started. The first step you have to take now is to download and install the Billpoint app into your phone. You can do that by going over to your Play Store or your App Store. If you're using an Android device, go over to your Play Store, or if you're using an iPhone or an iOS device, then you have to go over to your App Store. So let me tap on my Play Store since I'm using an Android device in this tutorial. Let me tap on it. You can see now my Play Store is opening. So once your Play Store opens up, the next step you have to take is to search for Billpoint. So let me tap on the search icon down there. Then let me tap on the search bar at the top. So let me quickly type in Billpoint. Billpoint. You can see I've typed it in. So let me tap on search. Right there's the Billpoint app. You can see the logo. Let me tap on it so you can see it more clearly. Right here is the app. You can see it more clearly. You can see the name right there, Billpoint, and you can see the logo more clearly. And as you can see there, it has a star rating of 4.4. That means 4.4 over 5, which is a good rating, which means people are actually saying good things about this app. So guys, now for you to download and install this app, what you simply have to do is to tap on where you can see install. So let me tap on install. You can see the app right there. It has started downloading. As you can see there is at 23%, so let's wait till it gets to 100%. Once it gets to 100%, then it's going to start installing automatically. So that's how it works. You can see now it has started installing. Wow guys, you can see the Billpoint app has been installed. You can see it right there written installed. So now the next step I have to take now is to open this app. So let me do that by tapping on open on the right hand side. Let me tap on open. You can see the Billpoint app is opening. It says here, allow Billpoint to send you notifications. So let me tap on allow. I need notifications. Then here is the first interface you're going to see if you're downloading and using the Billpoint app for the first time. So let me scroll to the left. Let me scroll again. Then let me tap on continue. Right here it says welcome back. Please sign into your account. So if you already have an existing Billpoint account, what you have to do is to input your email and your password. They will be able to sign in. But this video is about how to create or open a Billpoint account. So what you have to do now is to look downwards. You can see where it is written sign up. You have to tap on sign up. So let me go ahead now to tap on sign up. You can see down there. Let me tap on it. Right here is the next step. You can see what's written there at the top. It says sign up. Enter your details below to create your account. So what I have to do now is to go ahead now to enter all of these details. The first one there is your first name. The second one there is your last name, which is your surname. Then the next one there is your phone number. So you have to input your mobile phone number. The next one there is email. You have to input the email that you can actually receive codes. Then the next one there is to create a password. You can see it right there. Then the next is to confirm your password. That means you have to re-enter or retype your password. So let me go ahead now to fill all of this. Let me do that real quick. Right there you can see I've inputted my first name, my last name, my phone number, my email address and my password, and I also confirm my password by retyping it right there. You can see the arrow pointing at it. Then the next one there is referral. So if anyone referred you, you can go ahead now to input the referral, but it's actually optional, so I'm going to leave that blank. So let me go ahead now to tap on continue. Then right here is the next step. It says create your security PIN. This PIN is required to process your transactions. So this is the PIN you're going to be using to authenticate any transaction that you carry out in your Billpoint account. So make sure it's something that you can easily remember, and it's actually a 5-digit PIN. So let me go ahead now to create my PIN by typing it in. Let me tap on that top place. Then let me type in my PIN. Right there guys, can see I've inputted my security PIN. So let me go ahead now to tap on continue. Then it says here confirm security PIN. Re-enter your security PIN for confirmation. So let me go ahead now to retype it in. Let me type it. You can see I've re-entered my security pin, so let me tap on continue. Wow guys, you can see I've been able now to create and open my Billpoint account. You can see right here, this is my Billpoint account. You can see the profile icon at the bottom right, so let me tap on it. You can see my profile, you can see the rest of them. Let me go back to the home page. Let me show you my account balance. You can see my account balance is actually hidden, so let me tap on the eye icon to open it up. You can see my balance is 0. You can see it right there because this is a new account. I've not made any deposit. So you can see what you can do with this app. You can buy airtime, buy data, pay for electricity. You can see flights right there. You can see internet data. You can see eSIM. You can buy gift cards. You can pay for transport. Let me tap on more. You can see right there, you can fund your betting account, you can pay for your TV subscriptions, you can redeem your vouchers, you can buy virtual cards, you can pay for your school fees, education, you can pay for your hotel reservation and so many other. So guys, these are the services that can be rendered on the Billpoint app. So guys, I've been able now to show you how you can create or open a Billpoint account on your mobile phone step by step, and I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.